Hello, my name is Johan van Waart. I'm a Dutch reenactor, and I've adopted the grave of Bernard Bruce Tom, or Bernie as he was known, buried here in Margraten. Bernie was a very handsome young man, film star looks and a great smile, almost comparable to Errol Flynn, and he could have definitely had a career in Hollywood. I met Bernie's family. He was from Athens, Ohio. Bernie's family are wonderful people, and very honored that someone is still remembering Bernie and putting flowers at his grave. They gave me the Purple Heart, which his mother was given after he was killed, and letters that Bernie wrote home. It's incredible to read these letters, and I understand that my wife, Jennifer Hollick, from the World War II Research and Writing Center, is going to write a book about him. Bernie was killed at the dike between Randwijk and Hateren when a mortar shell hit the machine gun position that he and two other 506 paratroopers of F Company were in. The other guys were Ken Hull and Orwell Lev. They've both been buried in the US, but Bernie is here still with his comrades at Margraten Cemetery.